Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam Ferrules at bolt location. This tool simplifies one of the most repetitive and error-prone tasks in precast detailing. If you're just working with both precast and steel detailing, obviously adding this Ferrules at bolt location is one of the tedious tasks because you just have to add ferrules manually at each bolt location by picking the right point and place them correctly and add them as sub-assemblies to the respective panels. You also have to assign near or far side based on the cast unit form face. But with this single application, you can automate the entire process. Let me show you how this application works. In this model, you can see the bolts. Let me just double click and show you. These are the Tekla bolts. Now I'm going to select only the bolts using the selection switch. When you do the cross selection, you can see it picks all the bolts. Now with a single click, it will add ferrules to all the selected bolts. Now you can see here. Let me explain the options available for you. You can select the component and then you can open the component catalog and select the other components. Let me choose this one and select the settings. But we don't normally use this component option. Let me go to the ferrule. This will automatically enable this box. You have 4 options: generic ferrule, ancon, reed and nexus. When I choose this ancon, it will automatically update this drop-down list. Let me choose reed and then nexus. Let me go back to generic ferrule. You can change the size. When you change the size, you can see the name will be automatically updated. Let me also change the length and click on any one of these fields. It will update the name. And you can also assign the part and assembly prefix for the ferrules. And if you're adding this ferrules to the propping bolt, then choose this option yes, so that it will add prop as prefix to the name. You can change the class. Here you have an option auto and BS, so that the system will automatically read the cast unit form face and assign them as near side and far side. Just to show you, I'm going to open the view properties, change this option to near side and far side, and once I click modify, you can see here near side is green and far side is red and both side is cyan. Let me select these two panel. I'll right click and show the cast unit form face. For this panel, this is the form face. So when I zoom in, so this is the near side and this is the far side. When I go to the next panel, you can take a closer look, and this is the near side and this is the far side. As we can see, these two ferrules are exactly opposite to each other. It is supposed to assign them as both sides. I'm going to select these ones and then change the option to BS and click updated selected components. Now here you can see, you can also change this one back to auto and again click updated selected components. And if you want to change the size after applying this ferrules, select the size and change the length and then click updated selected components. As you have seen, this application handles everything in one go, and you can cut down hours of manual work and reducing the chances of committing errors drastically. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.